The Timekeeper's Gift. In the heart of a bustling city, there stood an ancient clock tower, its hands frozen at 3 o'clock. Legend had it that the tower was built by a mysterious timekeeper who could travel through time. Many believed that if someone could restore the clock, they would be granted a glimpse into the past. One rainy afternoon, a curious young woman named Clara stumbled upon the tower. Fascinated by its history, she decided to investigate. As she approached, she noticed a small door at the base. To her surprise, it creaked open, revealing a dimly lit staircase spiraling upwards. Clara climbed the stairs, her heart racing with excitement. At the top, she found the clock mechanism, covered in dust and cobwebs. She remembered the stories her grandmother told her about the timekeeper and his ability to witness significant events in history. With determination, she began to clean the gears and levers, hoping to restore the clock's function. After hours of labor, Clara finally managed to wind the clock. Suddenly, the hands began to move, and a bright light enveloped her. She felt a strange sensation, and in an instant, found herself standing in a grand hall filled with elegantly dressed people. It was a royal ball from the 18th century. Clara marveled at the sight, witnessing history come alive before her eyes. She danced with nobles, listened to their stories, asked and learned about their lives. Just as quickly as it began, the light returned, and Clara was back in the clock tower. With a smile, she realized that the gift of the timekeeper was not just about witnessing the past, but understanding the importance of history in shaping the present. Clara left the tower, inspired to share her newfound knowledge with the world.